Welcome to Planting Joy Garden. Today, I wanted to share with you my herb garden. And as you can see, I'm getting May frost. Frost dates are a statistical average. What matters are your weekly temperatures. Perennial herbs laugh at harsh winters and can endure very hot summers. So they're the perfect addition to any garden. So I went ahead and started myself a herb garden. And so I want to just kind of share what I have growing. So I have some lemon thyme. This is actually a 3-year-old plant. But our winter was extremely harsh. We had polar vortex. So we have multiple days, sub-zero, high wind, and it went on for a long period. But this thyme plant, everything above the soil died back, but the roots were very much alive. Now, thyme, particularly lemon thyme, can be cold hardy down to zone 4. The same thing here. This is I think a French thyme or common garden thyme, and it did very well. Now, year after year, I have a hard time with sage, but I found out I can grow sage, lavender, even celery. I can grow them hydroponically. So I started them over the winter in my hydroponic system. So the celery is doing great. It tends to like more water, but I did add it to my herb bed, and I just made a little oil to add additional water here to keep it moist. Everything else can tolerate dry soils. This is the rosemary. Now, I lost the original plant, but I had the foresight to take a clipping from the original plant. I stuck it in my hydroponic system and grew it back out for the growing season. Rosemary is typically hardy down to zone 6, but I have grown the ARP variety, and it has survived 2 winters in my zone 5 garden. However, I did provide cover, and I did a little extra. It stayed outside all winter. I did provide cover for it. And this year, because we had a polar vortex, I did propagation. I also have some lavender here. I grew this from seed. It grew extremely tall in my hydroponic system. So I have cut it and I placed it back in the hydroponic system as a propagation for future plants. Or if this should fail, I have another plant. Same thing with sage. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I know it doesn't like lots of water. I have had success with sage in the past, so I have plants in my hydroponic system in case I lose what's growing here in my bed. Okay, I also have some marigolds back here. It's supposed to be a marigold. The seed came out of the marigold pack. It doesn't exactly look like a marigold. But the reason I decided to do an in-ground bed is I take extraordinary means to keep my container herbs alive. I do bubble wrap, I make makeshift greenhouses, but I think they would do a lot better if they're in ground. I do have hoops, as you saw. I had it undercover at the beginning of this video. Now, some of the other herbs I have, so these other container herbs like chives, they can take anything. In fact, sub-zero, -20, -30, no concern. So they're okay in a container. Also, my yarrow, even with sub-zero temperatures, they pretty much stayed evergreen in a container. So I'm not worried about that. Now, my oregano, it truly died back. I was afraid I would never see oregano coming up again. And it is still in this pot. But I went ahead and purchased from the nursery. I went ahead and purchased some Greek oregano just in case the root is not alive. If it comes back, it'll have a friend. But otherwise, I wanted to make sure I had oregano for this season. I also have some cilantro popping up all over my yard, and I think I will probably have cilantro until the end of time. And here I have more celery. So I do have herbs dispersed through my yard as companion plants. I also have chocolate mint growing in a container, and my next goal is to have a dedicated bed to create a tea garden. But it was really important for me to have a dedicated herb bed, and I'm so pleased to have this. As I mentioned, herbs are extremely hardy, perennial herbs. They will withstand the harshest winter and will just fly through the warm summers. I would definitely encourage anyone who's having trouble with container herbs and overwintering to consider doing in-ground herb beds and providing cover. Thank you for joining me in the garden. If anything has been helpful today, please hit the like, share this video, and have an amazing day.